Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna go to the Seoul food truck and do a food review there. So come along with us. Hey guys, okay, so we have arrived to the mall now. We are just finding parking. This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, so this food truck is in a mall.
Hello.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Yes.
Hungry?
但呢個 parking 嗰個 space，你睇個樓頂好矮啊！你睇下，
Oh yeah.
係咪啊？
係啊。
比我哋 Richmond 嗰啲咧高啲好多。
So currently, just took the elevator, the escalator up to the second floor because the food truck is on the second floor, we think. Still on the hunt for a food truck. Check in with you later when we find the food truck. Ah, found the food truck right there. So this is the food truck. This is the menu. K-style rice platter, chicken platter, toast, party trays. We're probably not gonna get a party tray because that's too much. We kind of want to order like little dishes and like share everything so we can try a bit of everything. But yeah, checking back with you guys later when we've decided what we want to get. Oh my gosh, all the food looks so good. I'm so hungry.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to some other restaurants, and we're gonna order some from that food truck restaurant, and then some from like another one. So there's actually like a lot of restaurants here. Like there's this Chinese rice bowl restaurant, another Korean restaurant, and then the food truck right there, the Korean food truck, and then there's like sushi, I think, over here. There's more Chinese food here. This is sushi. I just had sushi yesterday, so I don't think we're gonna get that. This is more Chinese food. This is like a really cute place. I think this is like a dessert, like ice cream. Looks super yummy. Might get some of this later. It's called Couple. Over on that side. Let's go over to that side. So on this side there's donair. More Chinese food, but this place is like closed. More Chinese food. And then there's like Ugar cuisine. Yeah, I don't know where it's. Yeah, somewhere in the Middle East, maybe. I don't know. I'm not too sure. But there's that. But yeah, there's so many choices. We're definitely gonna go with the Seoul food truck for sure, but maybe something else as well. But okay, so we put in an order for K-Town sandwich, soy flavored. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it comes out. Super excited. We only ordered like one thing from that restaurant because I think we're gonna go try some donair and some ugar buns or like bread. So yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see what we got. Some napkins. Oh, this is the sandwich. Quite wholesome. Okay, let's open this up. Really? 7蚊。
6個幾，7個3個6歲。
Okay, let's open it.
好咧，你梗係
This is what it looks like.
佢唔係喺條腸入邊嘅，
腸？
佢頭先影嗰啲相好似喺腸。
佢好似好多影我先影我。
Okay, let's try some. I'm just gonna take a bite of
好
it.
難食嘅，其實。
No, I'm just gonna take a bite. 我哋咁咬咯。
隻手。
This is what it looks like. Yeah.
你剪一剪，嗰個唔可以剪。我有。
比較聽落嗰啲。
你食咗2啖先啊，女。食咗2啖先。
You gotta try some.
點啊
？Very good.
好似 teriyaki。
Yeah, it's a bit sweet. It's yeah.
？OK 喎呢個，你唔好攞走啊！
How is it? Do you like it? I think it's like nothing special. Oh, yeah, okay though.
It's a bit pricey.
It's a bit pricey, yeah.
Yeah,
Like
7.30.
7, yeah, for like
Yeah,
this
I
small.
don't think it's worth it.
Mm.
I don't think it's worth it.
How is it?
佢唔得熱啊，
唔得意。
同埋佢啲雞入邊咧唔係好脆，佢燒得唔係好脆。
又唔夠味。
咁嗰個味又 OK 嘅其實，但係佢係唔夠熱啫。其實我覺得
我覺得可以多啲汁咯。
好多汁啊！
味咯。
唔係，我覺得可以多啲汁。我覺得 like yeah OK 啦，like 又唔係好好味，又唔係好差。
佢其實咧，佢係用嗰啲熱狗嗰啲包咧，
Yeah。
嗰個嚟到整嘅啫，其實。
嗰個汁咧，你覺得點樣
佢係咪叫酸甜汁啊
？Soy 啊，佢哋有 soy、garlic and spicy，我就揀咗 soy。
佢嘅汁，我覺得唔係 not too bad 嘅，其實我覺得 OK 嘅。咁我覺得佢係唔夠熱啫，我自己覺得。不過其實如果講小食嚟講咧 ，OK 嘅，即係如果你講7個幾 OK 嘅，因為佢入邊嗰啲全部雞肉。
Yeah。
係啊，出邊都要啊，其實。
Open it. Open it.
1, 2, 3,
Wow. What is it? Is it beef?
Yes, beef.
Oh,
Wow,
looks
it's so
very
pretty, yeah.
good.
It's like, yeah.
Let's
Oh,
try
yeah,
some.
係啦。
Okay, let's try some of this meat.
Taste it.
It's not chewy at all.
Really？你再 try？
Not chewy.
手搣。
嗰啲肉啊夠熱，好在。
佢睇住佢焦㗎嘛呢個。呢個好抹焦。
Onions. Some onions. Yeah.
哇！隻手乾唔乾淨？
Is that okay? It's very good. Juicy or
Not too
tender.
juicy,
啊，
but the meat is really good.
係咪？
I like the meat.
Yep,
Okay.
yep. 個 Can N 好似唔係落手奶喎，冇落手奶。
How's it?
Meat is warm
Mm,
and very tender.
very tender, yeah. I think I would like it more if there's like sauce on it though.
呢個喎，真嘅。
非常睇爆。
Yeah,你應該成同依個人一齊。
嗯，
你
嗰啲肉好味啊，好似佢剁爛咗啲肉咁樣喎。佢唔係純成嚿牛肉嘅，可能佢將牛肉剁爛咗，變成一啲牛肉嗰啲餅啊咁樣。
Paste.
係啊，好聰明啊呢個做法。
Let's eat some more. So 你哋覺得 overall 點樣嗰啲嘢食？
我覺得呢個味醃得好嘅，
嗰個肉？
其實啊呢個肉好嘅。
有。
咁同埋嗰個佢10蚊啦，咁其實都係有啲抵食嘅。咁呢一個咧，韓國呢個蘇克呢一個咧，其實佢 OK 嘅，7蚊去買 OK 嘅，但係咧佢嗰個品種唔多咯，即係你可以食嘅嘢唔多咯，即係佢冇話好特別有啲乜嘢要供你食咁樣。即係呢個只不過一個好似熱狗等啲雞肉落去。
Yeah, 我都覺得冇乜 special. Yeah, but overall the food is pretty good. 我依個會中意多過依個少少。係啊。
呢個你俾幾多分啊？我700分啦，呢個。
係啊，我依個會俾8，依個會俾6咯，可能。
O K。
但
但係都6啊，呢個7啦，我可以俾。
7，你咧？依個
This one?
Yeah.
5.
What about this one?
6.5.
6.5. So we just finished eating all the food, and now we're gonna go to Coquitlam Town Center, another mall, to try some other foods at another food court. So I'll film some more when we get some more food. So currently we're just like walking around this mall because we've never been to this mall actually, and since we drove all the way out here, we thought why not just explore this mall. So yeah, we're just walking around right now. And look what we found, Deer Garden Signature. We used to always go to this restaurant, and yeah, we didn't even know that there was one in Coquitlam, but look what we found. Never mind, we just realized it is not the same restaurant. Same name, but different restaurant. But yeah, I think we're gonna go to Coquitlam Town Center now. We have arrived at Coquitlam Town Center. Let's see if there's any good food here. If there is, we might try it, but we're definitely gonna go get coffee first because we're all very thirsty. Yeah. Food court. Very excited. Very excited. So we didn't end up getting anything to eat because there wasn't anything that interesting or special about it, so we didn't get anything to eat. But we got a lemonade. Lemonade.
I see.
And an iced tea.
Yes.
And that's all we got. But yeah, I think that concludes our little field trip today. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah, I really had fun. Like I thought it was like a good experience. We got to try like two different cuisines, like Persian food and Korean food.
Yeah.
So I think it was
And this is the Western style.
Yeah.
Western style.
So yeah, I had a good time.
Yes, and today is very hot.
Yeah, it's like almost like 30 degrees today.
Yes.
Very
It's
warm.
pretty.
But yeah, come back for another episode. I don't know where we're gonna go next.
you think about it.
Yeah.
You do your planning first.
Yeah, we have to plan what
你要
restaurant.
撳我哋嗰個 subscribe，咁我哋就你多留意我哋，咁你
Yeah.
知道去邊度啦。
Yeah. So come back for another episode.
Yeah.
And hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and bye.
Bye bye.